3 reasons to paint your home white. Dear friends, white is a timeless and versatile color that has been used in home decor for centuries. The color white has many benefits and can help to create a clean, bright, and spacious feel in your home. In this video, we will explore 3 reasons why you should consider painting your home white. Reason 1. Increases light and space. One of the biggest benefits of painting your home white is that it can help to increase light and space. White is a highly reflective color, and it bounces light around the room, making it feel brighter and more open. This is particularly important in small or dark rooms, where lack of light can make the space feel cramped and gloomy. By painting the walls white, you can instantly transform the feel of the room, making it feel more spacious and airier. Reason 2. Creates a neutral background. Another advantage of painting your home white is that it creates a neutral background for your decor. White is a blank canvas, and it allows you to add any accent color that you desire. This makes it an ideal choice for those who like to switch up their decor regularly or for those who are looking for a neutral backdrop for their furniture and accessories. With white walls, you can easily change the look of your room by adding different colored cushions, curtains, or artwork, without having to repaint the walls each time. Reason 3. Increases resale value. A third reason to consider painting your home white is that it can help to increase its resale value. Neutral colors such as white are timeless and universally appealing, and they are often preferred by potential buyers. By painting your home white, you can create a clean, bright, and modern look that will appeal to a wide range of potential buyers. This, in turn, can help to increase the value of your home, making it a smart investment in the long term. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.